Hello everyone, welcome to Workstatus. In this video, we are going to understand a setting that tells us about managed project tags. For that, you have to come up to the settings from the site navigation bar and then under the organization and department, select manage projects. Once you select manage project tags, you are landed to a screen like this. Here, you can click on this section and you can make a tag just clicking and typing, and you need to press enter, or you can just select or click outside the section. So I have already a tag which is been made by this, so it is giving me an error like this. What I'll do here is I'll make a new one with the name dummy, click on enter, or you may just click outside the section which is on the white area, and it says the project tag has been successfully made with the name dummy. Now these are the tags that you can keep or you can put at the project level, and you can assign it to the project section. The impact I'm going to tell you further in this video. You can click on this three dot, you can have it renamed, change the color, or you may delete it as well. Now once this tag has been made, you can go to your project section. Go to the project section, select any of the project, click on this icon here which says tag, and whatever tag that you just created on your settings, you can see it here. You can also create a tag by typing and just pressing enter or clicking outside the text area, and again the three dots gives you an option to rename, color, I change the color, or delete. Now you can filter out all of the project with the same tags. Thus this is the working of the tag IDs. Thank you.